So, the rule to conjugate the trend barren verb is the second part of the verb is conjugated and placed in position 2 and the prefix is taken at the end. Let us conjugate the verb einkaufen. Ich kaufe ein. Du kaufst ein. Sie, es kauft ein. Wir kaufen ein. Ihr kauft ein. Sie kaufen ein. The next verb, einsteigen. Ich steige ein. Du steigst ein. Sie, es steigt ein. Wir steigen ein. Ihr steigt ein. Sie steigen ein. Make a tabular column and conjugate all the trend barren verbs. Now, read the following text and identify the trend barren verb in. Reading is one of the healthy practices to help you to find out the various parts of the speech, and this will also build up your confidence to make your own sentences in German. By reading a text, you will be able to answer several questions asked in the reading comprehension. Make it a practice to read a little bit of German text every day. It is not mandatory for you to understand each and every word. You just have to understand the meaning of the paragraph or the given text. I will read this text for you. Practice reading it again and then identify the trend barren verb in. Ich arbeite von Montag bis Freitag. Am Wochenende habe ich frei. Ich stehe in der Früh meistens 6 Uhr auf. Ich gehe ins Badezimmer, wasche mich und ziehe mich an. Ich höre in der Früh auch oft Musik. Ich putze meine Zähne und mache mich fertig. Dann gehe ich zur Arbeit. Meine Arbeit endet gegen 14 Uhr. Ich koche für mich selbst und esse immer zu Hause. Am Nachmittag lese ich, surfe ich im Internet oder schaue Fern. Nach dem Abendessen bade oder dusche ich und gehe dann früh zu Bett. Einmal in der Woche gehe ich in die Stadt und kaufe ein. Oder setze mich in ein Kaffeehaus und lese dort die Zeitung. Freitags schwimme ich eine Stunde in Hallenbad. Ich gehe am Dienstag immer zum Friseur. Samstagabend treffe ich mich meistens mit Freunden. Ich reise gerne oder mache Ausflüge mit einer Freundin. I will show you 2 tools which can help you to conjugate the verbs. Not everyone can be perfect at a glance. Start trying it by yourself. In case of any doubt, what is the conjugation for any personal pronoun, use these 2 sites to conjugate the verb. I will show you how to use it and then You can use it whenever you are in need of. There are many online tools which can help you to learn the German verb conjugations. You can use Vocablic's German verb conjugator or Reverso German conjugator to know the verb conjugations. I will show you how to use these two sites. Open the Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Reverso German. Then go to the German verb conjugations and in the search box type the verb you are searching out for. For example, if you want to know the conjugation of the verb haben, type H-A-B-E-N, haben, in the search box and click on the word conjugate in yellow box on the right hand side. And here is the table with all the conjugations in different tenses. Right now, as we are dealing with presents, let us look at the conjugations here. Ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. You can also click on the voice over button to listen to the pronunciation. Else, you can copy the word and paste it in your Word document. The second tool available is the Vocablic's German. Type Vocablic's German in the search bar. And yes, go on to conjugate German verbs. And here, type the verb you are trying to conjugate. For example, I will type helfen. And before we complete the whole word, the suggest is popped out. Click on helfen and click on search. And again here we get the conjugate the verb helfen with different tenses. Click on present tense. And here is the conjugation of the word helfen in presents. So these tools also help you to find out the conjugations of preteritum and perfect also. So type the verb you want to search for the preteritum. For example, lesen. Click on search and then go to the past tense. And here you get perfect and preteritum together. The similar operation can be done even with the reverso. You have seen in reverso all the tenses are displayed together. At any point of time, if you are not confident of verb conjugations, do use these tools for the conjugations. Happy learning, enjoy and do practice.